परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो।
Friends, Kangpokpi is not just a geographical administrative boundary. It is a district of resilient people, vibrant communities, hardworking and talented youths, students, entrepreneurs, women, public representatives and dedicated government employees. I wish to speak about hope, speak about peace and development, and above all, our collective responsibility towards Kangpokpi and towards Manipur.
लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में